this is Katie, the Hot Mess, work at home mom with hotmesswahm.com. And today I want to talk to you about what I put in my join packet. So these go to people when they're interested in joining my team. It's really important for you to remember that when you have somebody who has expressed some sort of interest in joining your team, whether it's small or whether they're really gung-ho and ready to join, that you create a really good personal relationship with them. If you are currently talking to them on Facebook and social media, you need to take it off of social media and schedule a phone call with them or a coffee date with them or Skype date with them, whatever works for you. It's really important for them to be able to talk to you, ask you questions, and really hear the excitement in your voice, hear how you really love your job and be able to really make that personal connection. So once you've made that initial phone call or initial coffee date, Skype date, and you've talked a little bit about, what they're interested in, why they think that this could really help them, what kind of role they think that your business could take in their life, and how this could help them, and you've really kind of gone over some of their initial questions, then it's a good time to say, okay, I am going to mail you out a packet with some information in it, and then make sure that you say, I'm going to send this packet out on Friday, and I will follow up with you on Monday or Tuesday, however your mail works. Make sure that you have already arranged that follow-up call because it keeps you accountable. You're going to make sure that you follow up with them, which is super important. And it lets them know that when you get your information, to take it out and read it, not just throw it in the junk mail pile. So this is my join packet, and it's in this really cool purple envelope, and I have my return address. I've got a blank spot here to put my potential teammates' address on, because I get a couple of these ready at the beginning of the month. It gives me good goal. I have 10 of these ready. I want to get 10 of these out. On here is just a sticker that I have printed out with a little bit of information about myself, and it sticks right on here. And I usually put like a Scent of the Month sticker on here, and any other stickers I have. And then inside here, I include a catalog, which if this is a customer who just had a party and realized it was so amazing, you might not really need to mail them out a catalog if they already have one. But if this is somebody who was on an online party or who just contacted you about joining your team, then a catalog is always a good thing to send out to them. Then I have this, which is a join brochure right from the family store. And it has all kinds of information in here. These have changed several times. They usually change with the new catalog, just to update, the look of them. But I include the family store's join brochure, and then I include my join brochure, which is something that I made on Vistaprint, and it just has my story on it. It says the compensation plan, reasons to join Scentsy, and my pictures on here so they can see me. And then lastly, there's this FAQ that I printed up, and it says, so you're thinking of joining my team? I'd love to answer your questions. Here's a list of the most frequently asked questions about joining. Feel free to contact me with additional questions. And so what I have on here is there a monthly quota? Do I have to pay monthly fees? How much money can I make? How much does it cost to start up? Can I really earn free trips? Isn't the market for Scentsy saturated? And once I join, am I on my own? And then it says, as a mentor for you and your business, I commit to guiding you in the right direction. I can't do the work for you, but I can be by your side every step of the way. Our team works together towards success for everybody. So it's really important to me to, really create that feeling of unity. Like, our team is a close-knit bunch of ladies, and we do work together for everybody's success. So it's important for me that people who are thinking about joining our team understand that this is not a competition between other team members. And then on the back of the FAQ that I include, there is the income disclosures. And the reason that I include these is I think these are really informational, and it really shows that, you know, you can go somewhere with this business. You can make a real income with this business by putting in the right work ethic. Okay, so I hope you learned something or took something away from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can get future videos, and good luck growing your team. We're talking Joe. Joe, you can't stand in here. Go out there, you goob. What is this called?